Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a new makeup releases. This is so exciting. I freaked out when I heard about this. GWEN Stefani is coming out with her new makeup line. We don't know a lot about the products, but she has trademarked for some eyeshadow, blush, concealer, foundation, face powder, bronzer, brow products, eyeliner, of course, mascara, lipstick, lip gloss, lip balm, primer, blotting paper, makeup remover products, nail products, and more. And officially coming in March. So I don't know if it's coming to Sephora, Ulta, Amazon, like Lady Gaga. I'm not sure. It is called the GXVE Beauty. I'm just beyond excited. I bet she's gonna have, she should have a banging black liquid eyeliner and a banging red. But she always looks flawless, and she's in her 50s, and this woman looks fantastic. Like, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Please be something I can afford. Trixie Cosmetics is coming out with the Team Katya versus Team Trixie collection. Let's see, Team Katya palette. Is that all mattes? I'm not familiar with Drag Race, sorry. Even though I really think I would like it. I think I watched like a couple episodes. Or maybe like one episode. $48 for the Team Katya palette. And they have a Red Scare matte lipstick, $16. Scarlet Letter lip gloss for $16. Team Katya mirror for $26. That's so cute. Team Katya ringer tea, $28. And then Team Trixie is, the palette is $48. The lipstick is $16. Lip gloss is $16. There's a duffel for $45, and then the t-shirt is $28. Oh my god, the packaging is just so cool. I like it. Okay, so the Katya palette has, looks like a couple neutrals, a gold, a couple purples, and a couple light shades, and a couple blues. This looks really pretty. I like the packaging. It's cool. I don't think I'm going to get it, but I can't wait to. I hope Queer Bones, somebody that I follow on YouTube. Okay, so Trixie's collection has some pinks, like all sorts of pinks, bright pinks, light pinks, like it looks like a mauve and then like a lighter mauve. And then a pink shimmer, a lighter shimmer, and then some blues, a yellow. The black looks like has a bunch of different sparkles in it. Because I don't think I'm going to get it, but I mean, I think it looks a lot of fun. 12 megawatt vegan ice cream cake shades. Gymnastics Fantasy. I mean, that sums it up right there. So I cannot wait to see reviews on this. Maybe one day I will try something from this brand though, because they look just so fun. Recipe is coming out with a new sunscreen, which looks fun. It is their watermelon scent. I haven't tried anything from Glow Recipe, but it's an SPF 50. So I like trying new SPFs. Hopefully, I don't always do well with scents. And then, of course, Colourpop's coming out with a new Star Wars collection. This, I'm not a huge Star Wars person. I like the old ones better. Please don't kill me. But this does look more Star Wars themed. I think it looks better than the Yoda palette. Again, please don't hurt me. But I'm not into, I don't know. It just doesn't call to me. There's like a shimmery red and then grays. It's like almost a neutral palette, but it's not my type of neutral palette. But let me know if you guys are going to get that. I thought this looks fun. So it's by Nasta Beauty. It's CD inspired, which just brings me back to my childhood. I remember my first CD was a Britney Spears CD. It has, this was, I mean, I don't think I'm going to get this, but it looks really fun. It looks like a CD and like the CD case. And like also like, anybody remember those CD organizers where you would put it in the sleeve and stuff? Just brings back memories. Nostalgia playlist, let's make up. CD inspired. Mesmerized by the holographic back of a CD with 8 vibrant shades, 4 shimmers, and 4 mattes inspired by the greatest makeup breakup hits from the 90s and 2000s. It's $30, scannable QR code that takes you straight to the playlist, removable magnetic palette, and recyclable paper packaging. Looks fun. Jeffree Star is coming out with his new skincare line. I want to like Jeffree so bad, but he just, he constantly is doing all this crap, and it's just too much. So I don't think I'm gonna try this Sienna Caroline. I'm sorry. Let me know if anyone's gonna try it though, and what we think. And then what do we think about Fenty coming to Ulta? I'm pretty effing excited. I'm pretty excited. I like Ulta. It's like I like Sephora, but like I like Ulta because you can get drugstore and high-end. But then right now, Sephora is doing free shipping. So, but Ulta has a way better point system. So, I'm just going to say that. Juvia's Place is coming out with a new collection, the Culture collection. It is already at Ulta. I love the colors and I love their packaging. Like, it's so bright and fun and just, I don't know. It draws me in, but this palette is just, I think it's too many shades for me. Like, it looks really pretty. I like the greens. I like the blues. It has oranges. It has pinks. I really like those pinks. It has some browns, but it's just, it's like, if I only had one eyeshadow palette maybe, but I don't just have one eyeshadow palette. So, but I think their formula is pretty good, but then I've heard they are hit and miss. But let's get into it. So the Culture eyeshadow palette is $36 with 30 eyeshadows. So that's a good, I mean, that's a good price. Bold and intense shades, including rich yellows, greens, alluring pinks, majestic purples, oranges, duochromatic shades, and cosmetic glitter eyeshadow. Who is asking for these pressed glitters? Not me. Please stop. Culture duochrome liquid eyeshadow for $15. Pricey. There's 4. Culture palette and duochrome liquid eyeshadow bundle is $96. Yeah, this is already out. This palette I thought was the Hindish palette because they have similar, kind of like the same kind of vibe with the tones, but it's not. It's by Nabla Cosmetics. The Read My Mind palette is coming out today, the day I'm posting this, February 23rd, featuring 16 innovative shades laid out to be read in multiple ways, by lines, by quads, or by mixing and matching the shades as you feel it. Are these metallics, or are these pressed glitters, or are these like, I'm not going to get this, but it looks interesting. I like how it's laid out. Like, I think it's very beginner friendly. So, I think it looks, I mean, this looks nice though. Tatcha is also coming out with their own mineral sunscreen. $60. It also is SPF 50. This also looks very nice. Lethal Cosmetics is coming out with a new collection that releases on February 26th. And let's see, we have the Nightflower collection. The Nightflower palette features 12 shades, including 6 mattes, 2 classic metallics, 1 duochrome, and 3 multichromes. An all-new budget-friendly formula. So it's available pre-assembled or buy your own palette, or build your own palette, or single eyeshadows. So let's see, the pre-assembled palette retails for €52, I believe, $50. The single shadows range from $6 for the mattes and classic metallics and $9 for the multichromes. I've been really wanting to try them, but I don't need new eyeshadow right now. I don't need really anything right now, except for probably I do want to try a primer. And then, let's see, 4 gel liners. Those look cool. 3 magnetic highlighters that are duochromes, $20 each. The eyeliners are $15.50. And a cardboard compact, which is $3. So yeah, I'm excited to see reviews on this. I did want to talk about this palette. One of my friends on YouTube, from my YouTube group, has a brand, Bellevous Beauty. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that wrong. She has eyeshadows, she has highlighters, she has lip glosses, she has liquid lipsticks, and she has eyeshadow palettes. So this is her Valentine's Day collection, the XOXO eyeshadow palette. It has everything that you want in a Valentine's Day palette. Warm tones, like a neutral palette, but it also has like some pinks, some purples, some mauve, some kind of, it's kind of like a coral terracotta. It looks really, really pretty. So yeah, I wanted to talk about her a little bit. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys are going to anti-haul, put on the wish list, or buy now. Bye guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.